Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope you're all having a great week. We missed a couple of weeks, but we are back now, and it's exciting, and I'm glad to be back doing these. I enjoy doing them and enjoy talking to y'all, and hope you enjoy listening to them. This week, look, we've talked a lot about this already. I'm not telling anybody who's in the real estate industry something they don't already know, but this is a tough environment. It's a tough environment in commercial real estate with everything. I don't need to rehash it, but we've noticed deals are just harder to get done, and there's a lot. Everything is sort of combative right now, and everything's just harder. And so what we notice, this is not unusual for times like this, is that there's more litigation. And that's, nobody wants it. Nobody goes into it wanting litigation, but that's the reality. Is litigation becomes more popular during these times. And so, we do a lot of litigation for our clients, and I just wanted to point out this week some things that, look, if you're going to get embroiled in litigation during these difficult times, how you can be better prepared to make sure that if when the inevitable comes, you're prepared for it. And the key is to be prepared, and that really is means having all your sort of evidence and documents and ducks in a row. What does that mean? That means any agreements you have, any leases, any invoices, any appraisals, any photographs, and record of your time, how much time spent because of the issue, whatever the issue is that has raised your ire. So that is really a key aspect of being successful in litigation, is being prepared with the evidence and the documentation for that will support your case. You'll be much more successful if you have that information. And so, what we also recommend, of course, is to be set up for that. So, have a system where you keep your records and your emails and all of that. Have a system set up for that. Back up those records. Know what type of evidence you have and might be helpful for your case. And then, of course, be in contact with your lawyer. It's important. And if you know there's litigation, potential litigation, I should say, it's super important to preserve all that documentation because it will become necessary at trial if it gets that far. So that's the key. Just want to remind you, look, this could be a difficult time. There could be litigation, and the best way to make sure you're prepared, or make sure you're successful, I should say, is to be prepared and have all the evidence and the documentation that you'll need for it. If you have any questions, give me a call. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you sign up for our blog and our YouTube channel and our podcast. And otherwise, have a great week.